Hello there! Have you ever wondered how you could make your retirement savings shine as brightly as this gold coin? Well, today we're going to talk about a unique investment opportunity that could do just that. You might be thinking, how can I get gold in an individual retirement account? How does that work? Don't worry, we're here to break it down for you, and trust me, it's simpler than you might think. In this video, we will cover some of the basic rules for a Gold IRA. A Gold IRA, or individual retirement account, is a type of self-directed IRA that allows you to invest in physical gold. Yes, you can allocate money into physical gold. You can even roll over current funds from a 401k or existing IRA. But like any investment, there are rules to follow. Let's dive into the main Gold IRA rules. First, the gold must be IRS approved. This means it needs to be 99.5% pure. Coins, bars, and bullions often meet this standard. Second, your Gold IRA account must be held by a custodian. This is usually a bank, credit union, or a company that is approved by the IRS. And third, the physical gold in your Gold IRA must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You can't just keep it at home or in a safety deposit box. The depository ensures that the gold is kept safe and its purity and weight can be verified. Remember, while a Gold IRA can be a good way to diversify your retirement investments, it's important to consider the costs and potential risks involved. Gold IRA rules can be complicated, but there is a simpler way to learn about them. Don't let another moment pass by. Secure your financial future today with our free Gold IRA investment kit. It's packed with all the detailed information you need to make an informed decision. Remember, the best time to invest in your future is now. Click the link to get your free kit immediately and start your journey to a more secure and stable retirement.